welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Snehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
So, I welcome you all 7th standard students for the English class. Dear children, we will begin our lesson today's session with reading of some words. Begin with the word, oh wow, so nice word, happy. As soon as we look at this word, our mood changes, isn't it? So, now look at the top of that word carefully what I have written. I have written root word in a box. Okay. Now you will ask me what is root word? Okay. Let me tell you. See, there is a purple star, and in that star I have written some group of letters U and N. Un. So this un, what is this un? That's what we are going to learn today. So they are called prefix. Now you people will ask me what is prefix? Okay, that's what we are going to learn in today's session. But let's see, after adding un to unhappy, which word do we get? We get a new word. We get a new word, that is unhappy. Exactly opposite of happy, unhappy. We have got a new word after adding un to happy. So here two new concepts are there, prefix and root word. So that's what we are going to learn in today's session. So look carefully, listen carefully, and read what you can see on the slides. So the question in your mind, what is a prefix? In today's session, we are going to learn about prefixes and suffixes. What is the today's topic? Prefixes and suffixes. So both the things we are going to learn in today's session. So see, on your screen you can see some group of letters and they are known as prefixes. Prefixes. Pre means before. We say na pre-primary, preliminary. So pre means before. Okay. So here are some group of letters and they are known as prefixes. We will read them. Re, miss, dis, sub, un and pre. So they have their own meanings. Each and every word has its own meaning which changes the meaning of the root word and gives us the new word. Let's see them one by one. So we will begin with re. See here, re's meaning is again. Re means again. Now you can see the word in navy blue colors, fill. What is that root word? Fill. And we have added re to that word, so it has become now refill. So refill means to fill again. We say refill of the pen or refill the mobile data. So refill means to fill it again. So exactly opposite word sometimes we get, or sometimes we get new word. Okay, when we add the prefix to any root word. So let's see some more words. Again we have seen remake. Remake means to make again. Miss means wrong. Misspell. When you do the mistake in writing the spelling, then teacher tells you have misspell it. Means you have spelled it wrongly. Misunderstanding. We say that word. Misunderstanding. Okay. So before adding miss of any root word, you get a new word. If you add miss before the root word, then you get a new meanings word. Misuse. Use, misuse. Use means to use properly, and misuse means to use in wrong way, to use wrongly. Sub means under. Subtitle. We say that some English movies there are subtitles in Hindi or in Marathi. So subtitle means under the title. Okay? Marine, submarine. So sometimes we say marine means submarine means which goes under the water, under the sea. So in this way you can frame new words by adding prefixes to the root words. See here, submarine. The literally meaning of this word is under the sea. One more prefix, dis. Oftenly we use this prefix, so we can make many more words with this prefix: disagree, dislike, disallow, disappear, dismiss. Okay? So in this way, by adding prefix to any root word, you get new word or new meanings word. So we will revise what we have learnt yet. What is a prefix? Prefix is a word or a word part added at the beginning of a base word. Base word means root word to change the meaning of that word. Isn't it simple? Prefix is a word part added at the beginning of a base word to change the meaning of that word. It is not a word, it is a word part or group of letters which we add in the beginning of a base word. So it is known as prefix. Prefixes are something you attach to the beginning of a word. Beginning. This is very important word. Survaticha, beginning. And prefixes change the meaning of the word they are attached to. This is very important. They change the meaning of that word to which you attach to the prefix. So let's revise. A prefix is a group of letters added to the beginning of a word, and a prefix changes the meaning of the word but not the part of speech. Part of speech remains the same, only it changes the meaning of that word to which you add the prefix. Okay? The next word. There is a word event. You know, event, so many events we attend in our social life. So event. Now see, there is one group of letter. Just now we have seen prefixes which we add before the letter, before the root word. Now you can see we have added ful after the word event. Okay? So now that word is eventful. Now it is after the root word or after the base word. We will see some more words. So full, just now we added to the word event. It is called a suffix. Okay? The group of letters which we add after the base word or a root word, it is called a suffix. Which we add before is prefix and after is called the suffix. So word plus suffix. Okay? Root word plus suffix. See here, Begin, we have added ing after that. So word we have got beginning. Happy, happiness. Ness we have added there after happy. So here you can see how many prefixes we can add to a word from which we get the new words. Fast is a root word or the base word. So if you add er to that, then it will become faster. If you add est, then it will become fastest, superlative degree. If you add ing, fasting, then if you add en, fasten, to tie up, fasten means to tie up. So in this way, after adding the suffixes to the root word, you get the new word with the new meanings. See here we have added er suffix to the base word or the root word, and then we have got the new words with new meanings. Teach, teacher. Bake, baker. Drive, driver. Got it? You can see an example of a word, such a word that in this word we have added prefix as well as suffix, and then we have got a different word. See, the root word is place. If you add prefix re to that, then it will be replace. And if you add ment, ment at the same time, then you have got a very different or a new word, totally different word, replacement. To change somebody, to change someone, you have replaced someone. Replacement, त्याच्या जागी दुसरा येणे. Okay, so in this way sometimes you can add only prefix, sometimes you can add only suffix, sometimes you can add prefix and suffix at the same time and you get totally new word. So this is the fun with playing the language in English. So read this, what we have learnt yet. Prefixes and suffixes are word parts that modify the meaning of a word by attaching to the beginning or end of a word respectively. Sometimes we add at the beginning of any word, sometimes we add at the end of any word. So let's revise. Prefixes. Prefixes is a group of letters placed before the root word. Look at the red word, before. And now you know what are suffixes. Suffixes is a group of letters placed after the root word. Okay, before and after. Remember these two words. So now there is a figure in front of you. Always remember this figure, fix it in your mind that root word is between the prefix and suffix. Prefix, group of letters before root word. Suffix, group of letters after root word. Okay, so in this way in today's session we have learnt about the prefixes and suffixes. I hope this concept is clear to you now. So now you can do an activity on page number 22, activity number 5. Okay, so see you in next session with new thing. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.